Hello, my project is on algae biodiesel. It turns algae oils into diesel range fuel. I'll kind of let you know how it's made, status, pros, cons, and kind of what we should do next. Algae grows on non arable land, uses saline or wastewater, and many strains store a lot of lipids, so there would be no fuel conflict for land. Under light and CO2, algae makes the biomass. We harvest those cells, break them down, extract oil, then make FAME biodiesel or upgrade to renewable diesel. Leftovers can kind of become feed or biogas. Open ponds are the cheapest way to do this. However, it's not very clean. It's kind of just gets a lot of random things in there. But photobioreactors are clean but very expensive. Dewatering and drying, or whichever, are the big energy hits. So it kind of just takes a lot of money to do that. Right now, it's mostly pilots and demos with small fuel volumes. It's not on very large scales at the current process. Cost and energy are the main factors limiting it. Some of the main benefits, their pros, kind of no food conflict. They use waste streams. So as I said, they could use wastewater or something like that. It can sit next to CO2 sources and use those CO2 sources as well. And it can run year round. Cons, high energy, takes a lot of money. There's contamination risks if it's the open system. And the GHG benefit depends on low carbon power, and it kind of just really depends on that. Lifestyle, it beats petroleum diesel only when cultivation harvest energy is low carbon, and we can co-locate with CO2 and wastewater. So it's only better if we have access to CO2 and wastewater and not just straight water, and we need to get our own CO2. Cost per gallon, it's still above diesel. Economics improve with the co-products and credits from wastewater, so like making the feed or a biogas, but still not great. But it does add things like local jobs for the plants. What we I don't know why it's so small, but what we could do, we could kind of we could pilot a small bio reactor tied to wastewater and a CO2 source, and buy renewable diesel for fleets while we learn track cost and all of that. It's not great yet, but kind of targeting pilots now de-risk cleaner gallons later. Sources are listed here.